If you were connecting a CoolLED illumination system to a PC via USB for the first time, you may need to install the CoolLED PE driver. This is required for all scenarios except the use of the PE800 series or PE400 series with Windows 10. For all other setups, you first need to download the drivers from the CoolLED website. From the home page, navigate to Support, Imaging Software, scroll down to the CoolLED PE driver and click Download here. Open the file location and then save this to a memorable location on your computer, for example the desktop. You then need to extract the files by right-clicking and then select Extract All and then click Extract. When we go to the Windows Device Manager, when you switch on your illumination system, you can see the CoolLED illumination system is here, but an error message comes up because the drivers haven't been assigned. So what we need to do is assign the drivers by right-clicking and then Update Driver, and here you need to navigate the computer to your downloaded drivers. So browse My Computer for drivers, and here we can see it's already on the desktop, so click Next, and we've installed the driver. You can see the CoolLED system now appears here. You simply do the same for serial port B. And that's it, your CoolLED illumination system is now up and running and ready to use in software.